Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Mutton Kassa, also known as Kosha Mangsho. This classic mutton dish goes perfectly well with rice or chapati and is so delicious that you will end up craving for more. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिବାକୁ चाहुचंती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. First in a bowl take half kg of mutton. To that add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 2 tablespoons of curd, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well. Marinate for an hour. Now in a blender jar take 2 onions, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic and 1 inch ginger, 1 big tomato or 2 small tomatoes, 1 green chilli and 1 dried red chilli, 1 stick cinnamon, 7 to 8 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 green cardamom. Blend everything and keep aside. Now in a kadai heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. To that add 2 diced potatoes. This is completely optional. You can skip this step if you don't like potatoes in your mutton curry. Shallow fry till they are golden brown. Take out and keep aside. Now in the same oil add 1 bay leaf, 1 green cardamom and 1 stick of cinnamon. Saute for a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and let it caramelize. After sugar is caramelized, add 1 thin sliced onion and saute till the onions are golden brown. Then add the prepared spice paste. Cook the spice paste for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilly powder, 1 teaspoon of Coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of Cumin powder. Mix everything well and cook the spices. Cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Oil has released from the spices, that means they are cooked. Now add the marinated mutton. Mix well and cook with the spices. Let it cook without covering first. Water has released from the meat. Let the water evaporate completely. Continue the process till the meat doesn't release water. The texture of the meat has changed now. Add the fried potatoes. Give it a mix. Now it's time to cook the meat. Cover and cook. Stir in between and cover again. Continue the process till the mutton is completely cooked. If you feel like the mutton is sticking to the bottom, you can add hot water in between for the cooking of the meat. It takes a total of 1.5 hours to cook the mutton in this process. If you are in a hurry, pressure cook the meat first, but slow cooking it brings out the best taste. Our mutton is perfectly cooked now. Add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala and few chopped coriander leaves. Give it a final mix. And our delicious feast style Mutton Kassa is ready now. The perfectly cooked and tender meat with the delicious spices make for the greatest combination of all time, and it goes perfectly well with rice or chapati. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.